Hi you guys, it's Yvonne. So I made it to the Goodwill, but as soon as I was walking in, I saw him go by with these great outdoor planters, and they're only $6.99. So I grabbed them, and so I'm gonna go pay for these and put them out in my car. And then I spotted another raccoon vase. This one's only $2.99. That one's gorgeous. Looks like it has the paperwork in it. So I'm gonna go pay for this, put it out in my car, and then I'll come back in and start over. So I'll see you guys in a minute, okay? Okay, so I bought them, $6.99 a piece. The raccoon piece that I picked up real quick, of course, for $2.99. And I spotted this for $3.99. It's beautiful. So I'm gonna put them in my car and then go back in and go shopping. Okay. Starting over. So that was a good pickup though. I'm pretty happy. Oh look, strawberry shortcake. Little plastic container. Made in Hong Kong. Yeah, that's probably pretty old. $1.49. I should probably get that. Somebody probably wants that for nostalgic reasons. I keep passing this up. I know it's lusterware, Noritake. Now it would be 30% off. I keep passing it up because I don't like that handle. Oh, I bought one of these and I think it was a mistake. Nobody's interested at all. Wonder if I paired it with two. Doubling down, is that just gonna make things worse? I don't know. Maybe I better just count my losses the first time. $2.99. Oh, what are you? L'Amour. I've never heard of that. Let's put that here and check that out. I like the face on that. Look. Let's check that out. Got a blue one of those that hasn't sold yet. Van door. Oh, that could be an old one too. Van door. Oh, let's check that out, you guys. I don't know how long if Van door is still making stuff. That might be vintage. So we're gonna check it out. Some of this stuff I already looked at last time I was here. Homeco. Probably another Homeco. Pass. Not quite as much money as I would like for return on investment. Made in Philippines. The Fair Carousel, gold plated. Is that what all of you are? There's a whole circus menagerie going on here. Shell bouquet. $29.99 for this. This is one I have. I bought for like $3. Let's look at this Lenox looking piece. Oh my. $9.99. Marking. Looks like Lenox. Better pass for that much. That's a good deal for this home use though, right? That's a good deal for home use. Somebody's home project. I looked at him last time. Okay, that's... Somebody put that all together? No. Royal Albert. Moonlight Rose, $14.99. Ah, it's a music box. with some like Capodimonte stuff on it. Somebody would love that. That'd be fun for someone. They would love that. I'm not going to get it for resale though. Okay, next row. Someone's talking in Spanish or something very loud. I don't know what the deal is. I keep trying to move away. Darn, broken ear. Made in Japan. Darn. His ear's been repaired. Darn. He's somewhat old. How much? $2.99. Creamer, sugar and creamer set. Made in Portugal. There's some maybes here. Some maybes. I'm being a little picky. I'm pretty, oh, see, that goes with that other one. There you go. Okay. Uh-oh. Who remembers the singing raisins? See if they have any value now. Some older gentleman flirting with me I just ignored. Did you guys catch all that? Whew. Decoupage Easter eggs. Aww, those are lovely. Oh, lay down. Now that's something you just don't find every day. We're gonna think about these. Yeah, we're gonna think about those too. Made in Japan, hand painted. It's almost like weeping gold, weeping bright, almost. I might get that too. Okay, I just wanted to wait my turn patiently for someone to finish their shopping that came from the other direction. That geisha stuff. I think I looked at this last time. Germany, yeah, I did. Or for Teleflora. They're only $2.99. Someone will love those though, but I don't think I better do it for resale. They weigh a ton. They're nice chunks of glass, but modern, made for Teleflora. Could have been a good maker that made them for them. Wilton. What are you guys doing? I don't know. For Aunt Maddie, Uncle Bruce, $19.99. I think it's just oh, it's a music box. What? Made in China. Oh, the San Francisco Music Company. There we go. Yeah, I've sold some of their stuff. Let's see what this does. Hang on, you guys. Okay, I gave it a couple wines. Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? We should probably check that out, shouldn't we? There's no chips on it or anything. There's a lot going on. Oh, somebody wants that and will pay me more than $3.99, won't they? Let's put it in the cart, you guys. Okay, find another aisle. Okay, you guys, so here's something fun. So the girls are hustling. You can see them down there putting stuff up. You can hear the noise. And she was struggling with where to put this. She was like walking around with it. I'm like, wait, how much is that? She said $4.99. I'm like, well, let me look at it. I think I'm gonna give this a try. That is super cool. For $4.99, bread, tea, sugar, flour, coffee. Yeah, let's try that. Let's try that for $4.99. Oh my goodness, how big it is. All right, yeah, put that stuff up. Okay, so I bought the big urns, right? Now I need some things to put in it, but for outdoors. That might be tricky. Dang, I like these though. Okay. And I need some more Jungalow fake plants for my Jungalow style I'm doing, because some places I'm putting things, it doesn't get light. Wait, look at this vase. Oh, new. Dang, that's cool though. Okay, anyway, so I need something good for outdoors. Woo, those girls are noisy, but I don't care because they are putting stuff up. And that's how I got this. Okay, outdoor. Oh, I like these. How much are these a piece? $1.49. Darn it. What is this? Oh my goodness. Look at this, you guys. It's a metal box. You could put on the wall. I don't see who made it. Oh my goodness. How much is that? Somebody would want that. $3.99. Take that hot mess out. Oh my goodness. I wish I had a booth. I don't know. Hey, that might work for outdoors. All right, you guys, I'm gonna move on. I wanna go to the antique mall today too, so let's go look for any cool wood or brass. Hi. Okay. This isn't worth more than about $10. The California raisin's only worth about 10, so I think I'll pass. And surprisingly, this little baby cherub by L'Amour is only worth about 10 or 15. I was a little surprised by that. Look at that cute little face. I am going to get the leprechauns. There's some kind of little bottle thing. But look, 1975 Hoffman. So they were $1.59. So I will get those. This Vandor is vintage from the 80s. Probably only worth about 15 or 20, so I'm not sure. $2.99. But darn it, he's in great shape. He's so shiny and glossy. Definitely still getting this. So they're still putting stuff out over there. I can hear the ruckus. So I'm going to make one more lap and then check out and go either to another Goodwill or to the antique store. I just remembered, I don't know if the antique mall is open on Monday. I just remembered that, so I'm not sure. So anyways, let me go check out and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. Okay, so it's getting kind of late, so I decided just to go to the Ark. It's just down from my house and real close. So I'm so glad masks are required. They're state mandatory now for at least 30 days. So let's go in here and see what we can find. Oh my gosh, look at all those donations, you guys. And when I was at the Goodwill, I didn't show you again, but yeah, they were like 10 cars deep waiting to donate too. So, woohoo! All right, I'm gonna go on in, see if we can find something real quick, go home and do some housework and stuff. I have to stay home tomorrow and wait for something to need the signature delivered that my husband ordered. So, I'm anxious to kind of hit a couple places today. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, here we go. I don't know. I always have to check dolls. Button legs. Always have to check them once you sell a doll for $100 and some. Can't help yourself. She's been here for a long time. Okay. Don't know what it is. That's cute though. Vintagey people like that kind of stuff. That's a yes. Made in China. That's a shame. You're cute. Resin, resin, resin. Some of this stuff I've seen, so don't get mad when I don't pick it up again because I already saw it. I come to this one a lot because it's so close to my house, you guys. You guys have been here with me so many times. Beatrix pottery. Let's check it out. I think I remember something about that. Beatrix pottery, so I better double check it just to be sure. Okay, you guys don't belong here. Oh, little cute swimming suit. Oh, cute swimming suit. That's a bunny. Put potpourri in it or something? $3.99 seems like a lot. Let's put it in here to check out. I checked this out before because someone told me to always check brown bag cookie molds. That wasn't one of the rare ones that's expensive. Where's the rest of you? You got a mark though. You're gonna go in there to be checked out. You're gonna ride with us for a while. Looked at that last time. Doll furniture. Ooh, one time I bought a bag of doll furniture so cheap and it sold for a lot of money. Well, I was just talking away to you guys, looking at stuff with you, and I thought I was filming, but I wasn't. That's okay. It wasn't anything. This is the only thing I pulled out. Was this little pincushion thing I'm gonna check out. So, and then I was just saying I don't see anything else. We're gonna find another aisle. Sorry about that. You really didn't miss anything, I promise. Okay, I'm back. That aisle got kind of busy and I was just getting ready to film when I spotted something, and another lady I think was wanting to look at it too. So I just stopped and grabbed it. Isn't that great? $5.99. It's a candle holder with stone and brass. Okay, we're gonna get that. Still have to look up a couple of things. So I'm going to look for, you know, the Afghans and stuff. Okay, I found something kind of cool to show you guys. Working my way over to shoes. This is kind of cool. I mean, I don't do Southwest, but this is kind of cool the way they did it in the 3 steps. And see the dimensions. That's kind of cool, isn't it? Does anybody recognize it? It just says Teresa. And I don't know how much it is, but it's huge. Just showing you cool stuff. Okay, carrying on. Okay, I looked at clothing and nothing. Nothing that was on sale. Nothing I liked for myself, nothing for resale. So before I check out, I'm just gonna look at the jewelry. Some inexpensive, wait, is that a mood ring? Okay, we're gonna get the mood ring. I'm gonna get that for me. Check the other side. But I'm gonna get that mood ring I'm wearing.
Oh, really?
Nothing in there, no jewelry bags. Boo. I don't see enough to ask for someone to come help me. I know that you guys can't see much, can you? There are the better rings, but they're still gonna be costume. But they're pretty. That one might be silver. I don't see anything fascinating. I've sold so much of that kind of stuff in the 80s and 90s at the flea market. They were so cheap to buy from the importers. Okay, I think I'm gonna go check out. Okay, another fun day thrifting, yay! I didn't get a whole lot, but what I got was pretty great. So, oh, it's hot in this car. Okay, I'm gonna head on home now and turn my air conditioner on. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.